Hi there, Angie here. I wanted to share some thoughts on online gurus and what they will never really tell you and admit. I am not an online marketing guru. I have dabbled in online opportunities here and there over the last several years, but I never really, honestly, of everything that I tried, it all just ended up being BS. It would be promoted as this really awesome thing, and you would get drawn in by someone who would be like, I made $10,000 my first week. And of course, in your mind, you think, wow, if they can do it, I can too. Well, here's the truth that these online gurus are not going to tell you. Now, this isn't for everybody. I think some of them do care about having integrity and bringing people into something they truly believe in. But here's another thing that's also true. Their focus is recruiting, bringing people in. They come into an opportunity, and before they have even checked it out, tried it out for themselves, to even see if this is legit, they are pumping it out to their following, which they have huge followings. So, of course, they are able to get tons of signups and make $10,000 in their first week because they've recruited all these people who just blindly follow them into something and just take their word for it that it's legit. So, of course, that makes it look like, wow, this is an awesome opportunity. And chances are you are not ever going to make that kind of money. They did it because they already have a huge following. And because they made $10,000 in their first week does not mean it's a legit opportunity or that it's anything you even want to be involved with. So, of course, that creates a snowball effect, and they recruit more and more people because everybody wants to jump on board with a winner who is recruiting all these people. However, as you're looking at an opportunity and you see someone who's just recruiting so many people and making $10,000 in their first week, are they really interested in helping you do the same thing, or at least have a good foundation where you can at least succeed at this, even if it's not at their level? Are they really caring about helping you succeed, or are they just saying what they need to get 100 people signed up in their first week so that they can make videos saying, I made $10,000 my first week? So, as you are investigating an opportunity, take a look at what they're really offering. Are they offering to help you succeed? Or are they just focused mostly on just getting you signed up? So there's that. Just wanted to share some thoughts on that. I know there's so many things out there, and most stuff is crap. Most of it is crap. And how do you know? How do you really know? How do you know who to trust when someone is promoting a business opportunity? Just because they made a shitload of money their first week, does that mean the opportunity is real, or just that they're really good at talking people into signing up? So there's my 2 cents on that. I hope you make a good choice.